ka jinyalang ka kinhun menteri haka ka khandai tarik unai tung arjar poi kalarai ban soi kular na ka banta lai posnam pat ka maxim infrastructure and real estate private limited banchna ya ka 5-star hotel haka jaka ka Shillong municipal board ka budan hajil road u mitrang ba ulong bakin sasna no ka office ka chonga Shillong municipal board haka jaka ka budan 8 square feet per sha ka business quarter
fresh lease agreement for 30 years which is renewable in nature will be signed with Maxim Infrastructure and Real Estate Private Limited for the development of the 5-star hotel at the Shillong Municipal Board land at Jail Road. The concern was that there was a case where the earlier party had defaulted on the loans that were there. In that situation, the NCLT had taken over this project. The NCLT bidded out the project, and through a fair bidding process, the company named by the name Maxim Infrastructure and Real Estate received or got the project in their name. Therefore, this requires a new lease to be signed, and the government will go ahead and sign the lease. There are certain concerns that were raised regarding some of the terms and conditions that were there, which was discussed in detail. There are many of them, so I will not be able to go to all. But mainly it's to do with the fact that certain areas were not given to them as per the agreement that was initially made. They were supposed to receive 71,000 square feet, if I'm not wrong, square feet, whereas the actual lease was only 61,000 square feet. So it was 10,000 square feet lesser than what was put in the agreement. So they wanted adjustments for those in the new lease. They had also requested that the old amounts that were pending, which were not paid by the past leasee and the past company that had taken this project, they had requested the government to remove those amounts and so that they don't have to pay, because the amount was not their due but dues of the past. But the government has not agreed to it, and the government has said that even though it's past dues by a different company, these are still dues that are there to government of Meghalaya. So therefore those amounts have to be paid, but we have agreed to give them some relaxation in terms of the interest amount and some relaxation in terms of the period in which they have to pay. So that small relaxation has been given, but we cannot remove the entire amount that is there. And some other adjustments also, they have agreed to also have some adjustments in terms of the floor area. And in return for that, for all these works that we're going to do, they will also be, the company concerned will also be constructing an office site for the Shillong Municipal Board with a size of 20,000 square feet in the plot number 24 opposite the BSNL quarters in European Ward as allocated by the GAD. The point is that the government has decided to renew this lease, as we are interested to see that this project is completed. It's been pending for too long, and a lot of investment has been made, and it's just been lying idle like a white elephant. So therefore, it's in the interest of the people, interest of the industry, the tourism sector, that this project, and the state, of course, that this project is completed at the earliest.